The next concept is area of quadrilateral. Area of quadrilateral formed by x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2, x3 comma y3, x4 comma y4 is of mod x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, x4 y4, x1 y1, or area is equal to of mod x1 minus x3, x2 minus x4, y1 minus y3, y2 minus y4. Next point, if d1 comma d2 are the distances between two parallel sides and theta is the angle between two adjacent sides of a parallelogram, then its area is d1 d2 by sin theta. This is the diagram. Next point, if A is the length of diagonal of a square, then length of its side is a by root 2. Second point, area of the square is a square by 2. Next point, if x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2 and so on, xn comma yn are vertices of polygon of n sides in anti-clockwise order, then area of polygon is of mod x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3 and so on xn yn x1 y1. Let us do an example problem. The area of the pentagon whose vertices are 4, 1, 3, 6, -5, 1, -3, -3, -3, 0 is given vertices 4, 1, 3, 6, -5, 1, -3, -3, -3, 0. Let this be x1, y1. This is x2, y2, x3, y3, x4, y4, x5, y5. Now area of pentagon is 1/2 x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 x4 y4 x5 y5 x1 y1. That is equal to half mod 4136 minus 51 minus 3 minus 3 minus 3041. This is like 2D determined. 6 4s are 24 minus 3 minus 5 into minus 3 15 plus 3 plus 0 minus 9. Here we missed one term. This is 3 plus 30. Okay, I am writing here. Next, this term is minus 3 plus 0 minus 0. That is equal to 1/2 24 39 42 45 85 85 minus 6 15 85 minus 15 is 42 45 75. Sorry, 75 minus 15 is 60/2. That is equal to 30 square units. This is the area of the pentagon. Next problem is, if 3, 5 be the distances between the parallel sides and 30 degrees is the angle between two adjacent sides of a parallelogram. Then its area is area of parallelogram is d1 d2 by sin theta. Here given d1 is equal to 3, d2 is equal to 5, theta is equal to 30 degrees. Therefore area is equal to 3 into 5 by sine 30 degrees, that is 15 by 1 by 2, that is 30 square units is the area of the parallelogram. Next problem is the area of quadrilateral formed by the points 2 comma minus 1, 4 comma 3, minus 1 comma 2, minus 3 comma minus 2 is here given vertices are 2 comma minus 1, 4 comma 3, minus 1 comma 2, minus 3 comma minus 2. Let this be x1 comma y1, this is x2 comma y2, x3 comma y3, x4 comma y4. Area of quadrilateral is half mod x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, x4 y4, x1 y1, half mod 2 minus 1, 4 3, minus 1 2, minus 3 minus 2, 2 minus 1, half mod 6 plus 4, 8 plus 3, 2 plus 6, next plus 3 plus 4, 10 18 21 23 29 32 36 by 2, that is equal to 18 square units is the area of the quadrilateral. Next problem, 2 comma minus 3, 6 comma 5, minus 2 comma 1 are the three consecutive vertices of a rhombus, then its area is here given vertices. Let A is 2 comma minus 3, B is 6 comma 5, C is minus 2 comma 1. Let this be x1 comma y1, let this be x2 comma y2, let this be x3 comma y3. Here triangle ABC and ADC are congruent triangles. Here area of rhombus is equal to 2 into area of triangle ABC. First let us find area of triangle ABC is half mod x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 x1 y1, half mod 2 minus 3 6 5 minus 2 1 2 minus 3, half mod 10 plus 18 6 plus 10 6 minus 2 28 34 44 50 48 is equal to 24. Now area of rhombus is equal to 2 into 24, that is 48 square units. Next problem is area of regular hexagon whose diagonal is the join of 2 comma 4 6 comma 7 is, let A is equal to side length of hexagon, regular hexagon, then length of diagonal is equal to 2a. Let this be regular hexagon. This is A. This is A. Here area of regular hexagon is equal to 6 into area of equilateral triangle. Here given points A2 comma 4 B6 comma 7, AB is equal to 2a, implies 2a is equal to, find the distance 2 minus 6 whole square plus 4 minus 7 whole square. 2a is equal to 4 square plus 3 square, that is root 25. 2a is equal to 5, implies a is equal to 5 by 2. Now area of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 a square. It is root 3 by 4, a square is 25 by 4. Now area of regular hexagon is equal to 6 into area of equilateral triangle. 6 into 25 root 3 by 16. This is 3 to 2 3s are 2 8s are. This is 75 root 3 by 8 is the area of the regular hexagon. Next problem is let A is equal to minus 4 comma 0, B is equal to minus 1 comma 4, C comma D are the points which are symmetric to points A comma B respectively with respect to y-axis. Then area of quadrilateral AB DC is A is minus 4 comma 0, B is minus 1 comma 4, C comma D are points symmetric to A comma B with respect to y-axis. With respect to y-axis means y coordinates remain same, x coordinate sign changes. That is C is 4 comma 0 symmetric to A with respect to y-axis. Similarly D is x coordinate sign changes 1, y coordinates remains 1 comma 4 symmetric to B with respect to y-axis. Now here A is minus 4 comma 0, B is minus 1 comma 4, D is 1 comma 4, C is 4 comma 0. This is x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2, x3 comma y3, x4 comma y4. Now area of quadrilateral is equal to half mod x1 minus x2 x1 minus x3 x2 minus x4 y1 minus y3 y2 minus y4. You can use any formula. This is x1 minus x3 is minus 5, y1 minus y3 is minus 4, x2 minus x4 is minus 5, 4 minus 0 is 4. This is half mod minus 20 minus 20, that is 40 by 2, that is equal to 20 square units is the area of the quadrilateral.